Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing the Neca Godzilla 1954 figure. Unfortunately, I got the version with the old box that the Neca figures used to come with, because I bought mine from Walmart and not Target, where the better box is. So this is just what I'll have to use or have for now, even though I'm gonna throw it away because, you know, this box is not really good. So I'll use my X-Acto knife and cut this out. There we go. Have a little more cutting right here. These boxes are never really easy to open, from what I can remember, unless there is another way to open it and I just being stupid. But this is how I'm opening it. If you, I would recommend a safer way than what I'm doing, but open it fast. Can't waste time. Really? Get the image out. Maybe I'll keep this and throw away all the plastic stuff. So get Godzilla out here if I can, because it doesn't seem to want to let me. Oh, there it goes. There's Godzilla. Here's this thing that comes with the Godzillas, or the more recent ones. And maybe I'll use this too. Maybe this is where I'll put them on. I have them standing, and I'll just use this for something else. Put this to the side for now. So here's the figure out of the partial plastic. So now we will free him from the plastic stuff. Man, I thought that'd be a lot more easier. Maybe I'll have to go with the old-fashioned twisty tie technique. That's always fun. Yeah. You guys can be involved in it. Involved in my torture. It can't just be simple, no. It's gotta be 50 ties to open a box. There we go. Now we've got sticky feet. And the thing came out. I really should put this back in. Thank you. Well, I guess while we're at it. Oh, Atomic Breath does have a tie. I didn't know that. This is like the worst X-Acto knife in history. Ever. Alright, here. Get the Atomic Breath out. There's that. Mine's the bit bent, as you can see, but maybe I'll be able to fix that. Here, block the light so you guys can get a better look at it. But we'll go over that more in the review. Get Godzilla out. There is Godzilla. Godzilla. Now we must get the tail. flip it out, but apparently not. There we go. Just use sheer force, it seems to work. Get this Momo Jumbo out of the way. Put that away. So here's the figure so far. Let's test it out, see if I can put this in. Joint, start moving. It'd be 10 times easier. Nah, it's not gonna work. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. Bit stiff, not too stiff. Definitely not as stiff as the Neca Godzilla 1964. But so far, looks pretty cool. I'm really liking it so far. And, yeah, see if this, get his mouth open. Ow. Come on. There we go. Let's go this way. Oh, there it is. The infamous hole. I was like, where the heck do I put this? There we go. That's what it looks like so far. Quick little thoughts on it so far before I do the review for it, which I no idea when I'm gonna do it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe later today. I'll hopefully decide after I make this video. But my quick thoughts on this is I really like it. It looks pretty cool. The articulation isn't going to be as good as some of the other ones, but so far I'm actually really liking the articulation. Minus this one. But yeah, I think it's a really cool looking figure, and this is my first actually articulated Godzilla 1954, because my other Godzilla 1954 is a Bandai vinyl, so this is really cool to have, and I would rather have this version than the other version because of the atomic width, which is really nice to have, even though it's the same as the other ones, or not all of the other ones, but pretty sure it's the same as the Godzilla 1962 atomic breath, but I'll do some comparisons in the review. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you at the review, and I'll see you next time.